Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is day 35 of me quitting my job and trading forex professionally. Today we're going to be trading Euro USD, USD CHF, and GBP USD. So, what we're looking for right now is a clear trend direction on the 4-hour time frame, right? For GBP USD, we see that we see a down and an up candle. So we want price to break below that 4-hour low so that we could have a clear trend direction on GBP USD. USD CHF, we already have a clear trend direction because on the 4-hour, price broke above that high, and on the 2-hour, price broke above that previous high. So everything is in an uptrend for USD CHF. So we currently looking for a price leg or a shoot up and then a retracement. So we could take a trade in the retracement and then follow the uptrend. Euro USD 4-hour is definitely in a downtrend. That's the low of the 4-hour that was broke by price. 2-hour, everything is in a downtrend. So we're looking for some downtrend trades on the 5-minute. We're looking for a price leg going down, retracement in, and keeping on going down. So that's what we're looking for on Euro USD, USD CHF, and GBP USD. Yesterday I walked 44 kilometers. So like literally just walked 44 kilometers for a video. When the video, if you had watched my previous video, you would have heard me talking about it. That was a Sunday yesterday. I mash up, or in other words, everything in my body hurting right now. But we get up, we get straight to the bag, we get straight back to it. Right? They have a Central C song that basically advocating that message. That's the song it reminds me of. Straight back to it.
Done a graveyard shift last night, woke up today and got straight back to it. Took me an L, no problem, I got on my grind, got straight back to it. Had to handle a coup in the middle of G and I put down my ball, got straight back to it. They free my bro, got straight back to it. Bro, fresh home, got straight back to it. Done a graveyard shift last night, woke up today and got straight back to it. Took me an L, no problem, I got on my grind, got straight back to it. Had to handle a coup in the middle of G and I put down my ball, got straight back to it. They free my bro, got straight back to it. Bro, fresh home, got straight back to it. Look, we all go through hard times, that's why it's live yours and it's not live mine. You gotta turn up sometimes, live life. You gotta work harder, you're not gonna shine. Told the
Okay, that's enough of the song, but you get the whole point, right? You get the point of the song. Okay, so we're seeing price going above with that direction is going in there, creating an uptrend trade for us, or uptrend price leg that we would use to take a trade. We're just waiting for one FVG to form, one untouched FVG that is, or unfilled FVG. Let me just see. Yeah, that have to go higher. That have to go. Yeah, that definitely have to go that higher. That higher. For us to even consider a trade or not. We want our stop loss to be at least 4 pips. So price literally have to go up and hit that line, or stretch out to reach that line so we could actually take a trade or not. If not, we're not taking any trades. What? Oh, my whole body is in there. USD and GBP USD. Okay, ladies and fucking gentlemen, USD CHF is giving us exactly what we want, along with Euro USD. GBP USD is still fucking around, so yeah. Right now we focus on USD CHF. You see, creating the price leg I wanted it to create to the uptrend following the higher time frames. So yeah, let me see. So two untouched FVGs, well, one untouched FVG. We're just waiting for a down candle to form so that it could finish the price leg. We're going to place our We're going to place our trade there or enter our trade there, put our stop loss right there, and put our take profit up there. So yeah, that is it. And we're going to enter a long position. Why? Because everything is in an uptrend. It's literally that simple. Like, yeah, 4.5 pips, that's a big enough stop loss for us. And we're going to go for a 1 to 2 on that trade. And then we're going to place our first take profit at 1 to 1. Let's see that one also. That's Euro USD. Remember, everything in a downtrend on Euro USD. As you can see, everything down, everything down. So we're gonna take downtrend trades. 1 FVG, 2 FVGs. 5.3, the stop loss is big enough. So right now it's just a waiting game between Euro USD, Euro USD, and USD CHF. So let's get the shit. Let's get this shit. Okay. We seen Euro USD starting to form what I believe is an up candle to create the whole trend thingy. Oh my gosh, 1 2 FVGs, so we just have to wait for that to close as an up candle, and then we could go ahead and take trades to the downtrend. Let me see how big my stop loss will be. That's the only thing holding back that trade. Stop loss is literally 5, so that's a very good stop loss. USD CHF and Euro USD both trying to USD CHF. We have 2 minutes before both of these candles close, both that candle and that candle close, so we could validate the trade idea and look to potentially take some trades. Let's check our lot size. We're risking 1%, so that's 2 positions of $250. 2 positions of $250, so that's 3.87 times 2 for USD CHF. 3.87 times 2 for USD CHF. Positions. Alright, that's that there. Okay, so now that we have that big and bull, we cannot get that wrong. So that's to reach $500. Now Euro USD, let's check it. Euro USD, $4.87 lots. Euro USD, 4.87 lots. If we want to go ahead and risk 4.87 times 2 positions, if we want to risk 1%. So okay, so we have everything we need. That's the information we need right now. Okay, so it's either Euro USD or USD CHF. We're literally ready to take any one of these trades. We're going to be entering these trades manually, So we're going to be waiting for price to hit the 0.382 line, and yeah, we're going to enter it manually instead of setting up a buy limit or sell limit, because the last time we set it up, it was just not good. But the reason why why both of these trades is a goose trade is because everything in a downtrend on Euro USD and Euro USD just create a price leg that breaks structure with two unfilled FVG gaps. So yeah, we taking that trade. USD CHF broke structure to the uptrend. Everything is in an uptrend. Plus USD CHF had two unfilled FVG gaps when it created the price leg. So that means basically the momentum of that price leg is very strong, which means if price go back and retrace into the premium zone, it will sell more, and if price go back and retrace into the discount zone, it will buy more. So it's literally that simple. We're just looking at price action right now to enter those trades manually. 4.87. But I would say USD CHF looking like a more promising trade just because it break more structures than Euro USD. So we're probably going to keep our eye on USD. USD CHF 3.87. 3.87. Right now is the waiting game. Okay, people. So Euro USD, we never took the trade because of two things. Price closed under our trend line. Well, not our trend line, but our trend leg line. This is the trend leg. High, low. Price closed below that line. That invalidated the whole trade. So we didn't take the trade, right? Also on my MT5, that candle was a up candle. That candle was a up candle, so that means price wasn't really in the downtrend that I wanted it to be. I thought that was a low. On fucking trading view, you seen it as a low, but on MT5 that's definitely not a low. Everything up there is like a, what do you call that, is a blue candle. So yeah, that's why we didn't take that trade, and we didn't take that trade either, right? And that trade didn't even break any structure, so we didn't take both of these trades. And yeah, that's what happened for Euro USD. USD CHF price did the same thing. Price closed above the trend, the end of the high of the trend leg. Price closed above that, invalidating the whole trade idea, and then it just started going back down. Then it hit it, but we're not taking a trade because it closed above the trend leg. We just wanted to go down and hit the area of interest or our entry point one time instead of closing above the trend line, the trend, the high of the trend line. GBP USD still doing its thing, but yeah, that's how price looking. We have like 40 more minutes to go, so let's see what happens. Euro USD did nothing but go up. It did it hit our entry point, but we decided not to take the trade. So right now would I be like, losing, like in a drawdown Euro USD, the trade lost just because I know what the fuck I do. I know why I didn't take that trade, because price basically invalidated that trade. So yeah, that happened. GBP USD still was just there chopping around. So no trades for today. We avoided like two losses or something like that, but CO2 more, we already know we there, we large, we massive.